Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. So today we are going to understand what is Claude Memory. So the Claude Memory is a plugin for the Claude Code that solves one of the most frustrating problem in AI assisted development. Every new session starts from the zero with no memory of what happened before. So claude-mem acts as an always-on observer, AI that watches every tool Claude uses during your coding sessions, compresses those observations with AI, and injects the relevant context back into every future session automatically. Persistence memory, cinematic search, folder context, auto-generate Claude MD files in your project folders with activity timeline and the key context. Web viewer UI, token efficient, progressive disclosure, lightweight, index first, full detail fetched only when needed, privacy control. So how we are going to install it? So if you have the npm, then go with the npm's Claude memory install. Otherwise, I'm going to use the second option, that is this one. So just copying this command. So I'm going to just add this. So go to your terminal. If you have already installed the Claude, right? So copy this and go to your terminal and just mention Claude. Okay, yes. And now, so here we are going to add, so first of all, we have to just paste this plugin marketplace, add this claude-mem. Okay, so it's adding, cloning the repository and just doing this stuff. Okay, after that we have to go with another command, that is plugin. So just copying this one. Okay, so go to terminal. Now I'm going to activate this. Okay, so install for user scope, install for all the collaborators for this repository, project scope for user scope. Okay, so let's install this. So it is installed. Just slash reload plugins to activate. Reload plugins, right? So it will be activated. Okay, so if I, so this is installed, right? And after this, install directly from inside Claude Code using the plugin marketplace. Okay, then restart. After installation, restart the Claude Code. On the first startup, the plugin installs the dependencies. PM2 better SQLite expects a 30-second delay for the first time. If we go and just do the exit, okay, and if I just close this terminal and open the terminal from here and just add the Claude, yes, and here we have plugins. So here you can see that we have the plugins. Let me just scroll down. Cloud management. So this will come over there because it is the plugin marketplace, right? I need to just search, or we can search with the name of the plugin is Cloud Memory. So here you can see that the persistent memory agent. So you can just go and select this. Okay, so this is there. So whenever you start this one, so you have to select this one and go ahead of this. Okay, okay, verify it's running, so you have to just run this command. localhost. So let me just copy this if it is running or not. Just copy this, open link. So it is, so it's now it's install cloud memory, run reload plugins to apply. 5 agents, 9 hooks. So here you can see that the it's running now, so you can see that how many memory and everything session over there, right? Okay, so yeah, this is how you are going to save the memory, and you don't need to every time ask the that for the every session you have to read all the code and everything, so it saves your tokens and saves your memory also. Okay, so hope you like this video, and you, if you want more on this, so do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.